All right, let's dive in. If you're running a small business, you know AI isn't some sci-fi concept anymore. It's here. It's in your office right now. And using it without a plan? That's kind of like handing out the keys to a brand new car without explaining what the brake pedal does. So today, we're going to build those rules of the road together. This is your hands-on guide to creating an AI policy that actually works. A must-have for any business that wants to innovate without blowing things up.
Look, let's just be real for a second. Your team is already using AI. I guarantee it, whether it's for writing emails, brainstorming ideas, or who knows what else. So the question isn't if they're using it, it's do you have a plan for how they're using it? Because without one, you're just flying blind in a whole new world. And honestly, that's a risk that's just too big to take.
So here's our game plan. We're going to walk through this step by step. First, we'll talk about why this is so incredibly important. Then, we'll get into the 3 pillars that make up any solid AI framework. After that, it's all about action. I'll give you a 6-step plan you can use right away. We'll also cover the common roadblocks you'll face and wrap up with how to make sure this all actually sticks for the long haul.
First up, why should you even care about this? Well, think of your AI policy as the foundation of a house. It's not just some boring document with a list of don'ts, it's the core structure that holds everything up. It gives everyone in your organization a clear playbook so they can use these amazing tools smartly, safely, and to their full potential.
So what are we really talking about here? We're talking about real, practical documents, the kind that answer the questions your team has right now. Questions like, hey, can I use this AI tool to draft a blog post? Yes. Can I upload our entire confidential client list to that same free tool? Oh, heck no. It's your playbook for everything from data handling to dealing with vendors and what to do when, not if, something goes wrong.
And getting this right is about so much more than just dodging bullets. Organizations that build a smart AI policy, they get a serious competitive advantage. We're talking about real measurable wins, like getting way more efficient, drastically reducing your risk, and building a ton more trust with your customers, your partners, and your own team.
Okay, so you're sold. How do you actually build this thing? Well, it all comes down to 3 fundamental pillars. If you nail these, you've got the framework for everything that comes next. Let's break them down.
And here they are. It starts with strategy and planning. Then you move into implementation and execution. And you finish with measurement and optimization. But here's the key, the most important part. This is not a straight line. It's a loop. What you measure and learn feeds right back into your strategy. You plan, you do, you check, and you do it all over again, getting smarter each time.
So let's make this feel real. What does this look like day to day? Well, strategy is all about taking a good, hard look in the mirror. Where are we now? Where are the gaps? And how do we draw a map to get where we want to go? Implementation, that's the get-it-done phase. Choosing the right tools, getting your teams on the same page, and making sure the work is top-notch. And measurement, that's all about the data. Setting up your KPIs, your key performance indicators, and then using what you learn to constantly get better. All right, now for the part you can actually put to work tomorrow. We're officially moving from the what and the why to the how. This is your step-by-step action plan to take all these ideas and make them a reality in your business. Here it is, your 6-step roadmap. It's pretty straightforward. 1, assess. You got to know your starting point. 2, define. You can't hit a target you can't see, so figure out what success looks like. 3, engage. Get your key people in the room from day 1. 4, implement. Please don't try to do everything at once. Roll it out in manageable phases. 5, build. Train your team. Give them the skills and confidence they need. And 6, the most important one, monitor. Watch the results and be ready to pivot. It's a simple, proven path.
Now, of course, no plan survives contact with reality, right? You're going to hit some bumps in the road. But knowing what those common roadblocks are ahead of time, that's how you turn them from problems into opportunities. Let's talk about the big ones.
First up, the classic, misalignment. This is when your marketing team thinks AI is for one thing, your sales team thinks it's for another, and leadership has a totally different idea. The solution? Get ahead of it. Set up clear governance and communication right from the get-go so everybody is pulling the rope in the same direction.
And next, a challenge every single small business understands deeply. You don't have unlimited resources. The budget is tight, and you don't have a giant AI team. So what do? You have to prioritize, ruthlessly. Focus on the 1 or 2 things that will deliver the most value, get a win, and then use that success to make the case for more. Show them the money, don't just ask for it.
And finally, there's the human element. Change is weird and uncomfortable for a lot of people, so you are going to hit some resistance. The best defense is a good offense. Educate your team, show them how this makes their jobs better, not harder. And here's a pro tip. Find your biggest skeptics and bring them into the fold. Give them a voice. It's amazing how quickly they can become your biggest champions.
Okay, so you did it. You launched the policy. Awesome. But how do you keep it from becoming another document that just gathers dust in a forgotten folder? That's where we need to talk about what creates real, sustainable success.
You know, when you look at the organizations that are really crushing it with AI over the long run, you see the same 4 habits over and over. They always start with strategy. They are obsessed with delivering actual measurable value. They constantly invest in their people and their processes. And maybe most importantly, they stay flexible.
This quote just nails that last point. Your plan is just your best guess on day one. The real genius is in how you adapt. The world of AI is changing by the minute, and your policy has to be a living, breathing thing that's ready to evolve as you learn and as the world changes around you.
So after all that, what's the bottom line? If you're going to remember just a few things from our time today, what should they be? Let's boil it all down.
Here they are. First, you need a clear strategy, but you also need the discipline to actually execute it. Second, success isn't a feeling, it's measurable. Set your metrics and watch them like a hawk. Third, investing in your team isn't optional. It's the only way this works long-term. And finally, remember that good governance isn't about saying no. It's about creating a safe playground where your team can innovate like crazy.
And that really brings us to the final thought I want to leave you with. Your AI policy, it's so much more than a piece of paper for the lawyers. It is your strategy, brought to life. It's a declaration of how you plan to compete, how you plan to innovate, and the values you refuse to compromise on along the way. So, the only question left is, what will yours say?